Easy now, center her up. That's good, take a weight. Alright, easy on the alignment.
Got it. Here's the wrench.
That should be the final torque setting. Solid. Let's align on this side. Same here. Let's push it back slowly. Structural alignment here at the wing root looks precise. Can you confirm specs?
Yes, the data confirms it's well within tolerance. We are good to proceed.
Alright, hold the lift. We're clear on the fuselage. Take it slow now. Easy down. Hold it right there. Okay, I've got the screwdriver aligned. That's seated correctly. Check the travel.
Smooth as silk. The balance is perfect.